Another of the recipes that was passed down to me from my mom was her apple muffin recipe. It was a tradition in our family to have apple muffins as soon as apple season came around. So it's very timely for us to make some apple muffins together. You'll want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, it's a hot oven. And prepare your muffin tins with some paper liners. You'll need 1 cup of chopped apples. This is a large dice. 1 cup, about 1 apple. And 1 cup of milk. And into that 1 cup of milk, I'm going to break 1 egg and add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And then I'm just going to beat that together. We want to beat it until it's really well mixed together. For the dry ingredients, I've mixed together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And I've mixed them well together. Transfer the milk and egg mixture into a larger bowl and add the dry ingredients all at once. I'm mixing the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients just until they're all combined. We don't need to beat the ingredients together. We're just combining to make sure the dry ingredients are moistened by the wet ingredients. And then fold in the apples. Next, using a scoop for uniform muffin sizes, I'm going to fill the muffin cups with the batter. As a final step, I like to sprinkle the tops of the muffins with turbinado sugar, which is a raw cane sugar with large crystals. It'll make a crunchy topping on each of the muffins, make them yummy and delicious. And next we're into our preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit oven for approximately 15 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool your baked muffins in the pan for a few minutes and then transfer them to a rack so that they can cool completely. But it's going to be delicious.